So one day I was YouTubing, as one does, and was watching Surf and Shares. And then in that video, I saw it, sitting there in all its glory. The thing I needed. After a quick Google search, there it was. The big ass calendar. The big ass calendar. It is here. Time to set it up. It's a lot bigger than I thought, so I mean, we're joking about the big ass part. Hey, how's it going? So if you've seen my old videos, you know that I like the feeling of marker on paper. There's just something so satisfying of checking something off for the day. So having said that, let me show you how I'm gonna use that to help me reach my goals and objectives out there. Let's move the bike. Hey, this isn't really gonna be a full review because, well, that would take a full year. So this is gonna be kind of more of how I'm using it. Once you get your calendar, you're gonna receive this little congrats with instructions on how to use it in the back. And that just essentially tells you to put big dates and dates that you already know about on the calendar. It also comes with some fancy sticky notes, as you can see, that I have added. So as far as to how I am using it, as mentioned, I will be marking my race date. So I know that I am doing Ironman 70.3 Victoria, so I went ahead and marked it right here. My goal is to do Ironman Phoenix in November, so I went ahead and marked it right here. I also added birthdays for my direct family as well. And then the one thing I am doing different, I split up the calendar into quarters. So I have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, as well as I broke it down into mid quarters just so I could do mid quarter reviews and make sure that I am on track to meet those goals. Every Sunday, I am also marking out the rest of the week just so I can know like what type of workout. And so it gives me something to cross out at the end of the day. Also gives me a sense of, oh, hey, I accomplished, I won the day. Check. Again, like I said, the beauty of this thing is that you could see the full year in one calendar. It gives you that sense of urgency, that sense of time, like a whole year right here. And it goes by like that. Like I mentioned, this is a video just showing you kind of what I'm doing and hopefully it helps you and convinces you to buy this thing. There weren't that many videos out on this, so that's surprising because I think it's such a useful tool. But that is the big ass calendar and it's big. It's very big. Anyway, I know it's a short one and I hope, again, this helps you and I will catch you on the next one. I have a big ass calendar for you.